Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Max from Unsubscribed Healthcare, and I wanted to go over a new product that I'm going to be releasing today. The product is the ability to copy a folder and to name the files inside. So, the way that you normally do this is that you have to find a folder ID. If you go up to the address bar at the top, it's usually the any of the numbers and letters that are after it goes backslash backslash folder, and then you'll see all these numbers and everything else. I gave you an example over here, so you would want to copy and paste that folder and then into LC4. I understand that not everybody's as tech savvy as that, so I made it so that you can search for the folders that you want to copy. So you can see folder to copy is the first folder that we want to copy. So inside the folder to copy, I've given, different docs, presentation, sheets and forms in a copy of the PDF as well as a JPEG. So it's going to copy all of these files to the new folder that we designate. So this is the destination folder, patient test folder. Okay, so you can see here's patient test folder. And so what happens is when I click search, it's going to search your Google Drive for the folder that is named folder to copy. If you don't spell it right, or if you don't have a folder of that name, it will let you know. So if we delete the Y, you can see here it says no folders found by the name folder to copy. So make sure that you spell it right. But if you do have it, it will put the ID in there. If you have two folders of the same name, it's not going to work, and it will also let you know. And also, this doesn't work if you have the folder to copy ID and destination folder the same. Otherwise, it will keep copying and saving the same files and folders into the same file and folder, and it keeps going on, and it really takes up a lot of your memory. So here, what we do is that we click and search for the patient test folder. So those are the patient test folder IDs and the copy IDs. Then how many copies do we want to make? If we want to make just one copy, it will make just one copy. If you are going to be using this for like copying for patient names or anything else, usually one copy is good enough. And then if you wanted to make a massive amount of copies and share it with different people, you could, and you would just do, all of that. But now we come down here and we can name the copied folder. So if I want to name it after myself, say I'm doing a new patient, and I could just do Max Shippen, or you could do Shippen, Max. And then you see here, this allows you to put the name of the copied folder into the front of the files. So if I wanted to, I would have Max Shippen and then SOAP. So if we go back to the folder to copy, it would put Max Shippen in front of the SOAP here, Max Shippen in front of the presentation, in front of all of that stuff. So it makes it easier if you're searching your Google Drive or anything else. If you know your patient, you can just type in their name and you'd be able to pull up all of their folder as well as all of the stuff that you've copied. I like to leave that on. So you're going to click copy, and you can see in the patient test folder, now we have Max Shippen has been created. If we click in that, you can see that it is going to start to copy and paste all of those files for you. So this is a lot faster than having to click on new, create folder, and then copy and pasting every single file individually. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know that's going to be helpful for a lot of people. Feel free to go to my website, www.unsubscribed.healthcare, to purchase it today. Thanks so much.